Hey everybody, this is Chris Engler, the founder of CyberGrape Services, and I want to show you a tool that I created to help you find a business name and a domain name that is available for you to register. All right, so you can see I'm already on domains.cybergrapes.org. If you stream down here, there's the AI domain name finding assistant, and you can tell it about your business and what you want to do, or maybe potentially where you're located, and it will give you ideas for a domain that it thinks is available for you. All right, so after you type in that information, you can scroll down and you can actually go into the tool that confirms the domain's actual availability, and you can register it within a couple seconds. All right, so let's try the tool out. Now, what's your idea about business, blog, event, something else? I'm going to say I want to create a business that sells shoes online. All right. And it's going to return some thoughts or some domain names that are potentially available for us. All right. Stepandstyle.com, Trend Tread, Shoe Savvy, Fit Footwear. I'm going to go for trendtread.com. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to go down into the confirm your domain's availability, paste it in here and hit confirm. And it is not actually available, but there is some examples here. So that kind of sucks, that it's not actually available, but we're going to try some others one. We'll try the chickshoeboutique.com. All right, so let's confirm the availability on that. Oh, also taken. Yikes. So I'm just going to put up in here in a tool saying Trend Tread and a Chick Shoe Boutique are both taken. Do you have examples that are like these? One thing that you can also do is, we said that we're going to sell it online, but maybe you want to have more of a local presence. So you can say that, hey, my business, not only do I want to sell shoes online, but I also have a store, like I want to have a storefront. That would help. All right, so chickshoespot.com, that's one we could try. Let's try that. And let's hit confirm here. Boom. Congrats. It is actually available. So you can click continue to cart here or hit select down here. Either way, you're going to be paying $13.99 for a domain name. Pricing is really good on our domains. I would definitely try checking it out. But you get the tool here, helps you find available domain names, see something that you like. Down here, you confirm and continue the cart for registration. All right. I hope you find that very, very useful. I created this tool specifically because I'm like a serial entrepreneur and I'm registering domains at least on a monthly basis. So, with that being said, this tool helps me. And if you're like me and you want a DIY solution where you're doing domains and websites and all that stuff, here's a really good tool for you to use. I hope you enjoy it. Talk to you later. Bye.